All right, so I'm back down here at J Mills Tuning, and we had some head work done to it, and the motor wasn't happy. So there was a couple valves burnt out, got that all sorted out, got the head put back on, and did a leak down test, and it still was showing low compression on a couple cylinders. I think one cylinder was really bad and another one was a little low, but as you can see, there's no motor in it. So they called me and they're like, what do you want to do? I'm like, well, go ahead and pull the motor out and let's see if the block's savable. See what we got to do. Maybe it needs rings, maybe it needs some pistons, I don't know. So they pulled it out, and let me go show you what the block's looking like. All right, so here is the block. They pulled it out, and there's apparently quite a bit of pitting inside these cylinders. I tried to do my best to get it on camera. I had to end up doing a voiceover because the audio was pretty loud in the garage, but it looks like they'll be sending it up to the machine shop to see if it can clean up by going to like 81.5 or potentially 82 millimeters. I'd like to not go too far. Obviously the more you bore out, the thinner the cylinder walls get. The thinner they get, the less they're going to be happy holding boost. So yeah, the bearings had a little bit of wear on them, but if we're boring it, we're going to do pistons. I might as well slap a set of decent rods in there because these were no-name brand rods. And then if we're doing all that, might as well go with new bearings. He said the crank looked really good. It was just basically the cylinder walls weren't sealing up, so that kind of stinks, but the head is good to go now. So yeah, it's just time to see if the machine shop will let me know if they'll bore out enough. If they won't, then I guess I'll have to kind of regroup and potentially find another block. So yeah, here I was showing a couple spots on the pistons, and looked like it had munched up something. I don't know what that was, but yeah, at one point this motor was not happy. Now we just got a bunch of pieces. So yep, I guess I'm probably not going to end this video. I'll wait and come back and see what the verdict is. If we're building another motor or buying another one, I don't know yet. All right, guys, so we are back down at J Mills Tuning. I got the word that the block is going to be able to be bored out, and 81.5 millimeters did clean it up enough, so we got no more pitting in the cylinder walls. That's good. I didn't want to go too far, and then you run into the issue of, oh man, maybe you should just leave it, blah blah, spend a bunch of money. Luckily, we don't have to do any of that, so I'm coming down today, and I'm going to go ahead and prepay for my parts. We're going to do Wiseco pistons, Eagle rods, tried and true build. I don't know what brand bearings. I'll take a look when I go inside. I was just waiting on them to get back from lunch. But yes, bearings, pistons, rods. We're going to go ahead and do a new radiator because my radiator was all banged up. And I think that was pretty much it. I'm not sure, but he's pulling in the driveway right now, so let's go check it out. All right, so yep, good news. Went ahead and paid for all the parts. We are doing Wiseco's pistons, Eagle rods, ACL bearings. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, tried and true, easy. Cometic head gasket. I have ARPs for the head studs. We're gonna reuse those. So yeah, looks like we're ready to go. Don't know when I'm gonna have the next video, the update video, because he said some of the parts are taking a little while to get in, but hopefully we'll know here soon. And yeah, other than that, just really nothing else to report. The motor will be back from the machine shop hopefully here in the next few days, and then parts will start rolling in. So I told him just give me a call, I'll run up there and get some footage of it and keep you guys going. So I'm shooting for around 400 on pump gas, and then we may go to ethanol or E85 to get us up a little higher. Don't know if the turbo that's on it's going to do it. Don't know if the manifold that's on it's going to do it. We hope so. So I already have cams instead of the Crowler 404s for the non-VTEC head. Don't know if that's going to be enough. I just don't know. So only one way to find out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.